We're continuing on. My neighbor's escorting me. ¿Cómo?
No había venido.
No, eso es mi primer tiempo a verlo. He's got his boots, he's smart. This is Sabrina's son, Pascual. Y Cruz. Oi. This is not a river. But right now it is. ¿Las voy a explicar en inglés?
La gente fue aquí.
Le comenzó a correr tan ahí.
Ya estaba fuerte ya.
Ah, ¿por cuánto tiempo estaba esperando?
Como 2 horas.
2 horas. Ah, this man has been waiting here for 2 hours. He can't cross.
¿Verdad que no ha bajado la mora? No ha bajado fuerte.
Ah, sí.
Falta.
So, I usually go running through here. It's like a sand bed, and there's only water when it's raining hard and all the water comes down from the volcanoes. This is the road from El Atillo that goes to the next town, San Juan, but you can't get through to the other town. There's no access.
Corriente, le damos a esta nosotros.
The current is really strong. You don't want to cross this. And then where you see that other water coming through, that's from another town called La Mora. And Terry and Andy, the engineers from Massachusetts, when you guys came here, when you went to La Mora, that was the place where the bridge was broken up and ripped apart by the water. This is where the water's coming from La Mora. Ah, sí, ay. Vamos a nadar, eh? I'm telling them we should go swimming. They think I'm crazy. No va a nadar. ¿Eh? Vamos. ¿Y por cuánto más tiempo va a dilatar este agua?
Hasta que hasta como 2 horas. Más. Más dilata, no.
3 horas más.
Ayer quiero pues la. Es que va bajando, sí, ya va bajando.
Ajá.
Dilata como unas 3 horas.
Ayer a las 4 todavía estaba corriendo y llovió a las 2.
Después va chiquita, digo, ya.
So they said it'll probably take another 3 hours for the water to completely leave. In about an hour and a half, 2 hours, it'll decrease, and in about 3 hours people can cross. The thing is, the place that I showed you before, the other parallel riverbed that crosses the other section, that's the other exit from my town. So one exit goes to Jicarito, one exit goes to San Juan, and from San Juan and Jicarito you can get to Leon, but there's no other way out. So sometimes people are stuck in my town for hours. And when it rains like this for days and days, people are stuck here for days. Ah, sí. They call these the tumbos. They're like rapids. Qué clase de agua, eh.
Ah, como mira los tumbos. Aquel, y cae de las huertas de ahí. Va a fregar toda la huerta. Otras están haciendo, mira, todos se están levantando nuevos, ¿eh? Mira aquel como mira. Están los tumbos otra vez.
Yep.